Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about altcoin Shiba Inu. Alright, guys, Shiba Inu is a very cheap coin that you can afford now. And if you want to talk about coin to hold in this bull run, Shiba Inu should be one of the coin to hold. Alright, the problem we have in altcoin in making money in crypto is just that we want to see the gain, as in we want sharp money. Let me put it like that. You cannot buy a coin today and expect it to rise tomorrow. Okay, if you are buying any altcoin, try to hold it at least 6 months. It's 6 to 10 months. All right, now holding on to this coin can change your lives. Holding on to this coin can change your life. What am I trying to say? Shiba Inu is very affordable now. Like, it's very cheap. Even in the market now, you can see that the price is high, is pumping. So this is a coin that will break out in this bull run. Shiba Inu have already made Shiba Inu breakout in 2019. Yeah, 2019. You can see that the price is even equivalent to the same price that we had then. Meaning that with $10, you can be able to have millions of this coin. With $20, you can have millions of this coin. With $50, you can have millions of this coin. Now, this is very affordable. This coin now is very affordable. So in all you are getting, make sure that you get Shiba Inu. If you want to make, you see a trader making $1,000, $5,000. If you happen to hold on to your altcoin, if you happen to hold on to those coins, then $1,000 is just a small money, because altcoin can break out and give you up to $1 million, thousands of dollars. Yes, it can break out and give you thousands of dollars, and you don't necessarily need 50 or 1,000 to get this coin, because as of now, can see that this coin is affordable. All right, this is one of the coin that is going to do well in this bull run. In any other meme coin you want to get, try to get Shiba Inu. Try to get Shiba Inu. The price is very affordable. If you don't know, if you're new, you don't know how to buy it, if you want me to make a video on how to do that, how to buy, put it in the comment section. I'll do a video on how to buy Shiba Inu for you. All right, so this is one of the coin that is going to break out in this bull run. This is one of the coin, and the price is very affordable. And you are trying to get yourself out from that place you are. You are trying to get yourself from that poverty, from that place, as in you want to be financially stable. Get altcoin, and not just getting any altcoin there. Get a good one. Like Shiba Inu is a very good one. Don't go and buy coin that the dev have abandoned. Don't go and buy coin that is going to rock pool. Don't buy coin. You can decide to buy a coin now before you know they rock pool, and that's how your money will everything will just go. So this is one of the coin that you should hold in this bull run. The price now is very affordable. The price is at 0.0002. Meaning in this bull run, it can even cancel. Shiba Inu can get to 0.02 or 0.03. So in all you're getting, try to get Shiba Inu. In this bull run, try to get Shiba Inu. You want to make money in Memecoin, try to hold those coins. Don't just buy and sell. I always make this in my videos. Don't just buy, and then when you buy and you sell it, maybe the next 1 week you're just opening your wallet. That's just funny. You buy it, then you go to open your wallet to check if the prices have added. Then you buy today, you open your wallet. You buy tomorrow, you open your wallet. Just like that. That is not how it is. Get this coin. Get it. Then forget about it. Forget about it. Just buy it and forget about it. You can save your your details in your email, so that you don't just if you want to save it in a wallet, write down the phrase in which you're buying, in which you're buying the coin. Write down the phrase, save it in your mailbox, okay? Save it. Then just forget about it. Give it some time. Leave it like 6 months to 10 months. It might not even get to that. And come back and go back and open your wallet. As one person who bought coin with $5, just $5. And this was just a total newbie who didn't know anything about crypto. And they just said buy coin, buy coin. That's how you went and bought Dogecoin. And you can see the price of Dogecoin now. And that person bought it and he just forgot about it. When he went back to open it, woe and behold, the wallet, he could not believe what he was seeing in that wallet. So that is why I told you guys that if I'm talking about investment in crypto, I do not say use thousands of dollars to purchase this, because I know it's not everybody that have it. But for you not to be left behind at all, buy with whatever amount you have. You can buy with $5, you can buy with $10, you can buy with $20. If you have up to $500, you can buy depending on what you can afford. Okay, so guys, this is bull run. You can see that Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is breaking is breaking earth now. Before you knew it, Bitcoin is going to clock $100 $100,000, and this is how the altcoin, all the coins is going to join the trend. So all you got to do now is just to prepare yourself in this bull run. Make sure that you have at least pick some coin that you can hold. Pick some coin that you can hold. All right, pick some coin, and which I made recommendation of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is one of it. This is not the coin that would you just wake up and your investment is gone, rock pool. Before you jump into any meme coin, all right, carry out your research, okay? Carry out your research about any coin that you want to invest, okay? Make sure to carry out your research, and don't forget to buy what you can afford to lose. Like I said, in crypto is not, when you come into crypto, this, like now, unless you want to trade, if you are trading, difference from buying an altcoin and hold. If you want to make money in this bull run, buy altcoin. Buy it. You even make money more than the people that are trading. You make 99% of what they are trading. A trader can enter the market and trade and make $100, trade and make $5,000. But if you now happen to hold this coin and it happen to cancel zeros, it happen to cancel maybe 2 or 3 zeros, guys, you will not even believe you will not believe it, and your life can never be the same. So let's not be as if I'm talking much. This is bull run. The bull run have already started. Even in my screen, I can see that this Shiba Inu is pumping now, but the pump does not have, it is still affordable. You can still buy it. You can still buy it. If you have property you can sell, go ahead and do it. Buy this coin and keep. Buy it and hold. All right, buy it and hold. If you want to be financially free, buy Shiba Inu and hold. I did not say buy and sell immediately. No, buy it and hold. All right, so many of you does not believe that crypto can really change lives. Crypto can change your life. You can wake up today, check your wallet. Your life can never remain the same. Crypto can change your life. Yeah, I bought coin with just zero. I just swap a coin with 0.50 something cents. Guys, I regret, because if I have had money then to buy that coin, at least maybe $10, I could have made a lot of money. I just swapped the coin with 0.51 cent that I had, and it gives me $15. You can imagine if I had put maybe $20 into that project. Okay, and when you are buying a coin, take all these steps. All right, make sure that what you are buying is not a coin that will just rock pull, not any kind of shit coin. Because if you're new in this crypto, you will know that so many things are happening. You can enter the market today, put in money, before you know, they rock pull. All right. So sit down to carry out your own research about any coin before you invest. Okay. So Shiba Inu is one of the coin that Shiba Inu is one of the coin I'm recommending for you. Shiba Inu is one of the coin. Take note of this video now. All right. In this bull run, take note of this video. If you happen to buy this coin, you don't even need to buy much. You don't need much. You don't need, if you don't have it, you know you have a little. You can, the little you can afford, just have something in your wallet. The little you can afford, have something. Let it be that there's something in your wallet in this bull run. Okay? In this bull run, try to have at least 1 or 2 coins in your wallet. Don't let this bull run to pass you by. Okay? There are so many tons of coins in the market that you can afford. Carry out your research. Buy a good coin. Buy a good meme coins. Alright? This is the season for meme coins. All these coins, they are going to rise. They are going to pump. As Bitcoin is rising, that is how they are going to follow the trend. Okay? Don't forget, invest what you can afford to lose. Yeah, invest what you can afford to lose. Like I said, I'm making this video I'm not trying to make you to get a quick money. This is not a quick money. It can happen. It can happen anytime. It can even cancel zeros, and maybe you may be lucky to have quick money. But just hold on to this coin. Don't go and sell it out. When you buy, hold it. Try to hold it at least 6 months or 10 months. That's what I'm saying. It may not even get to that, and this coin might break out. Okay? So Shiba Inu is one of the meme coin that you can put in your portfolio. Okay? If you are looking for coin to buy, check out on Shiba Inu. Okay? Now, this video was helpful to you. I would also like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. What coin are you holding for this bull run? What coin are you holding in this bull run? Put it in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share and like this video with your friends. Okay, share this video. If today is your first time in this channel, support this channel and subscribe to my channel and stay updated. I'll come back again with another interesting video. See you in my next video.